most friendly. Everywhere there's just smiles, and they really go out of their way to help me. Yesterday at the ShopRite, I didn't have my extra savings card. I was qualified for some discount, but you need that card. And the woman behind me, she just swiped her card immediately. So yeah, it is. It's a town that's it's gone by days. It had these days, its heydays. The railways is no more, so there was only one train the whole day that I travelled along the railway line. Yeah, so that is my thoughts about Daar. But the guest house, Potties Guest House, I can really recommend them. It's an oasis in the desert with a nice swimming pool.